Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Huawei Band 6. We had in our channel different devices from Huawei. We had the Honor 6 and we have now the Band 6 here, which we will see what we have in the box of the Band 6, what we have in the software. We will run some tests and see how this watch will work. In the end we will talk if this watch is worth to buy or not. So let's go ahead, start to unbox the new Huawei Band 6. This watch comes in different colors with an 1.46 inch AMOLED display. We have 2 weeks battery life and 90 sports that are included in the Band 6. Also, we have plenty of more health caring that we will see. This is the box itself, comes with a screen protector and little smaller box inside of it. As you can see here in this box, we have the watch itself wrapped up and with some plenty of foils for protection. Inside of this box we have the charger, which is a very good quality and is wrapped up again for protection. Underneath that we will find the user manual in Chinese and English so we can understand it. Here we have the watch. As you can see, very good looking and very good shape, very similar to the other Huawei devices that we had previously in our channel. As you can see, one button press and hold to power it on. We have the Huawei logo immediately. Now we are waiting for it to start. This is how it will look like when you start for the first time. We have here different watch faces, press and hold to change them. We have here a couple of them that are pretty good. Also, like always, we can download more in the app later when we show you how to connect it. So let's choose one that is already downloaded. This one looks pretty good, but we can see that we have more information here. In the taskbar we have percentage of battery, time and day, do not disturb, vibration, find my phone, alarm clock, and the settings. This is the taskbar of the Huawei Band 6, very good and very rich with options. We have notifications down below. In the right we have heart rate, weather, music control, Alipay, and activities throughout the day. If you press the button you enter the menu. Like always we have workout record, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity record, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, music control, notification, weather, Alipay, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, flashlight, find phone, and we have the settings down below where we can see we have display, vibration. At the display we have watch faces, which we saw in the beginning of the video. We have favorite, brightness, and we can see that we have 5 level of brightness. And here at the advanced we have auto sleep. Let's put it at the 20 seconds so it will drain our battery faster, but also it will last faster. And we have the screen time again, 20 minutes, and again it shows you that it will drain your battery faster. After that we have vibration, do not disturb, workout settings, system. At the workout we have auto detect workouts. At the system we will find restored, power off and reset, help, and about the device. So this is all that we have in the Huawei Band 6. Let's begin with some tests immediately. Let's go straight to the top, which we have heart rate, the first option. Press and wait until we have some result. As you can see at the top we have the current heart rate, in the middle we have some statistic, and down below we have highest and lowest statistic as well. As you can see the numbers now are changing. Let's wait and see the final result. So that was the result of the heart rate. Let's go to the blood oxygen, press go, and we have 3-second countdown. It will begin immediately to measure. You can see the circle at the top is filling up, and this is how it will look like when we have the final result. As always, all this data will be saved in the app. We have the stress, which we have to enable first in the Huawei Health app. We'll see how to do that later. We have here the breathing exercise, 1 to 3 minutes. You can choose. I'm going to choose from 1 minute, and let's see how this will moderate, how this will measure our breathing. 3-second countdown again, and now we have to inhale and exhale like it says in the watch. After 1 minute we will have some results, so let's go ahead and see how it will look like. So that was the breathing exercise. We have the music control that is playing in our phone, and we don't have anything else to test here. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, comment down below and let me know what do you think about the Huawei Band 6.